on Ottawa Regional Road 2060 for 10 kilometers.
Send it! That's better! Hey guys, welcome to Netcruzer. I'm on the road right now. I'm actually going racing, and I just thought I would try and do a quick video on my front-facing camera of my iPhone and see how bad does it look and what does it sound like. Anyway, I'm on my way to on-road winter racing, and I've shown you that before. Racing today, tomorrow's Monday's family day off, so I'm going to be working on some projects. I'm going to be doing some of my first upgrades on the Arma crate. I want to get bumpers on it, and I want to get some suspension improvements done on it. I did break that front shock on my very first outing with it, so I want to get that done. Next week I will be going to Toronto area, and I'll be attending the Toronto International Auto Show 2018, and then as well as have another conference midweek on Tuesday, February 27th, I believe, is Haste and Hustle 2. It's called Generation Now. So I went to Haste and Hustle last year, and it was the conference that I went to in Niagara Falls, and it had Gary Vaynerchuk, Casey Neistat, and Majid Minhas, and a bunch of other high-profile entrepreneurs. It's a one-day event this time. The keynote speaker is Gary Vaynerchuk again, and then there's some others. So I got a free ticket to that for this year because I won Elite Hustler VIP last year. When I go to the Toronto area, I am going to be taking some RCs with me. So I haven't done any much running footage lately, but I am going to be visiting a friend who's also into RC, and we'll try and get some really awesome action RC stuff for you. Something I did want to mention was my Instagram. I split it up into 3 different accounts, so depending on what type of content you like the most, or follow all 3. I changed my main Netcruzer Instagram to be 100% RC, only RC stuff, all RC hobbies. So that's instagram.com/netcruzer. And then if you like my tech stuff, I made an Instagram account, Netcruzer Tech. And if you like car stuff, I made an account, Netcruzer Cars. So they're all one word: Netcruzer Tech, Netcruzer Cars, and Netcruzer. The 3 Instagram accounts, go check them out. I'm trying to grow them. I post a lot of pictures, some videos, some stories on Instagram, so certainly go check them out. I really appreciate your follows and likes and comments on there, because it's something where I can give you a behind-the-scenes look at what's coming up in my YouTube stuff. The other thing I wanted to mention was about my Facebook. So facebook.com/netcruzer01 is my Facebook page for all my Netcruzer activities. I post links and little blurbs about new upcoming RC stuff, tech stuff, car stuff, and sometimes I'll put links in there for offers or deals too. And then my Twitter is basically just a rolling feed of everything that I do. A lot of it gets auto-tweeted out. All right, guys, thanks. Wish me luck in racing. John.
Alright, after 3 laps, it is John and average 8.4, Nick and average 9.6, and Pete pretty fast second class. Race is over. Keep going till I call your name.
It's over now.
Nah, when it beat. It wasn't beat.
I know.
Yeah.
I didn't let off. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Should I buy this? This is a Schumacher MI5 for sale. I think he wants 140 bucks for it as a slider. It comes with a whole nother car though, full of parts. Like, that's a whole nother parts car. Seems like a good deal, but I don't know if I like on-road enough. But check this out. It's even got carbon fiber A-arms, which is cool.
All right, Sam up front, Richard second, Warren third, Roman place off the front currently is 85%. Current pace at the front 34. 2 minutes left. Everybody's racing on the tone. Less than 10, we go live. We're almost a now on trigger finger happy. Pays the price. Alright, he gets off to a very clean start. Alright, Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Less than 10, we need to race this. On the tone. Alright, we got some battling and bump happening already. These guys are not giving up their position easily. Oh, there's some contact out there too. We're going to right now with Jake in that RXC that's out front. You can back move. They're looking at the dirt side. He's all over the place. James going out of the court and rolling the right now. Jake moved up in front. Noah doing a small job. Standing right on the tail. That is for position right now. Great RXC and that is for position. That is the race right now. Jake is getting hounded by the young lad. Noah, he just has a little bit of the ball on the other straightaway. That's going to hurt him a little bit, but now he's got good tries, so let's see what he can do. Jake, really there.
Something came up. Yeah, we're gonna race today. It's like I'm gonna get around people and they get so frustrated I have to go. I feel like they're gonna take me out, and then I start to hit stuff.
Traffic or
See how it goes.
yeah, we broke into 6-2.
Less than 10. Going on all your haters. James, you are done. James, you are done. James, you are done. Congratulations, second in the A main. James worked his way back from almost disaster.
All right.
That's it. Almost made it through a full race day with the Durango. I still haven't done that since the very first time racing with it. Never done this shot before. I thought I'd give you some head cam in the car. See what that's like. It's probably really high. I'm not sure.
Turn right onto Russell Road, Ottawa Regional Road 26 East. Continue on Ottawa Regional Road 26 East for 10 kilometers.
Send it! White racing. Had two good runs, had 2 runs that broke. Broke an A-arm, and then in the very last heat I broke the steering. The steering is completely foobar. I think it's the servo. It feels and sounds like something has happened inside of the servo, which is the worst case scenario when it comes to steering stuff, and usually the most expensive thing. Either the servo's completely destroyed or it needs the gearing, and I'm not even sure what that model is because I got that with the car. It's a special Savox servo that's low profile. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's up with that. Get the sunset in the mirror. you like this, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you want to see more from me, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Then you'll be notified when I upload, because I don't have an upload schedule. I just work based on when I have time to get cool footage and make a good edit for you. I'm inconsistent when it comes to uploading, but it's at least one video every week. So hit that subscribe button. We're nearing 4,000. If you don't already know, when I hit 4,000, I'm doing a small giveaway at 4,000. The unboxing the Traxxas TRX4 video has information in there about how to enter the giveaway. So go watch that video. You'll see how they enter the giveaway. When I hit 4,000 subscribers, someone will win something. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks.